Hello, gorgeous. It's Jen. We are going to talk colorful eyes today. We're going to talk purple, and the palette that we're going to use is the Pat McGrath Celestial Divinity Mothership Mega. I will pop up a picture as well, but we've got a lot of fantastic purple options to use in here. As you can see, my face is already done. I will have all of the products listed below if you are interested in anything that I have on my face. So we are going to jump right in. I'm going to start with this is light pink as my transition. So we're going to go in with a medium-sized fluffy brush. Tap off any excess, and then we're going to go in windshield wiper motions. Go a little bit deeper. Focusing on that outer corner. And we're just building a base with that color. Circles. Now we are going to go into a deeper purple. I think we're going to use this one right here. So I'm going to go into a smaller blending brush, slightly smaller. We're just going to go focusing even more, but staying a little bit lower. Take your time building it up. And then lightly going across, but the main focus of that color is right there. My tummy's grumbling. Let's build it up. We are doing drama. We're doing drama today. Building it up, taking our time, very light-handed. Now we're going to go underneath the eye. I'm going to take a small brush like this, and we are going to go into the deeper shade first. Remember that deeper purple right here that we're going to go into? I'm going to go under the eye, very, very close to the eye to keep the darker color there, and we're going to do a gradient down. Focus more on that outer corner. I go lighter with my touch as I go in. Focus more here on that outside corner. Make sure that it blends together. Okay. Now what you can do is you can either wipe off the brush or get another brush. And now I'm going to go back into that lighter color again. And I'm going to go a little bit further down to blend for more of a smoky, blown out look. And you can be a little messier with that, but you are going to have a very light hand. Now we get to put the glitter, and you can do more of a monochromatic look by going with one of the bright purples, or you can go with a gold. You have lots of different options. So I think for today we are going all in with the purple. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the glitteriest one here. I think I'm going to go with this one right here. You can use your brush. I prefer to use a finger. And I'm just rubbing my finger in there. Check that out. Is that amazing? And I'm going to put it right on my lid. Pat and rub to get the most payoff. Is that amazing? Let's go in on the other side. Now, if you need to fit into a space that was a little too close into the center, you can take a brush. You could even wet that brush, but we're going to try it dry for now and go into a little closer. You want it to be seamless. Slide up there. If you want to neaten up that crease a little bit, maybe you've gotten some shadow a little too far up, you could take your fluffy blending brush, go in with that original pink shade. You can go in and you can either deepen that crease or just make sure that it looks perfectly blended. The lightest hand. There's hardly any product on this brush. Let's go in with this darker shade right here and deepen the corner. Just make sure the bottom blends into the top. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a big fluffy blending brush with nothing on it and just go around the edges to make sure that all the edges are blended seamlessly. If you have any fallout, you can take a small brush and just tap it away. This palette is amazing. I have hardly anything under my eyes. So now I will be back with my liner and mascara, and we'll talk about the finished look. Okay, I'm back. I have liner, I have mascara, and what we're gonna do is a little inner corner highlight. Now for that, you could use your highlighter, like I have this one from Ofra, but we're gonna use a purple one just to add to the purple glam that is going on. So I'm going to take a small flat brush and I'm going to go into this one right here. Okay. And we are going to put that right in the inner corner, just to add a little light. So there you have it. That is the finished look Comment below. Tell me what look you would like to see next, if you would like to see another color. I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you soon. Thank you.